In order to understand that what are the three various units of measuring the angles, I want to tell you that if in a plane we draw two perpendicular lines, one horizontal, other vertical, like this. This is our x-axis and the vertical one is usually we denote as y-axis. So as and when we separate a plane by plotting the two lines which are perpendicular, one of them is horizontal, another is the perpendicular, vertical. So horizontal one is said to be x-axis and this one is known as y-axis. The intersection of both the axes is considered to be the origin. We generally denote it by O. Now the question is that if in a plane we draw two lines, one horizontal, other vertical, then plane is separated in the four quadrants. Each quadrant is a right angle. So to explain you what is a degree, if one of the right angle is separated into 90 equal parts by drawing 89 rays equally inclined, then one of the angle or the measure or the inclination or the elevation of each of the part is known as 1 degree. So measuring the angle in the degrees, which is very common, is coming like that. This is the one of the quadrant. This part is equals to how much? One right angle we say, or you know when when the two lines drawn perpendicular, then plane is separated into four quadrants. So if one of the right angle is separated into 90 equal parts, how it is possible? You can observe here that if I am drawing one of the ray, then I am getting two angles. So if I draw 89, if I draw how many? 89 equally inclined rays, then this one right angle will be converted into 90 equal parts. One part is known as 1 degree, or you can say each part is known as 1 degree. So we can say that one right angle is equals to how many degrees? 90 degree. So explanation to 1 degree is this, that if one of the right angle is separated by equally inclined 89 rays in the 90 parts, then each part stands for 1 degree. If this 1 degree again separated into 60 parts, then we say 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. This is the symbol of minute, single dash. And 1 minute is equals to 60 second. And the name of the system in which angles are measured in the degrees is known as the sexagesimal system. So sexagesimal system is that system where the angle is measured in the degrees. One right angle is equals to 90 degree, 1 degree is 60 minute and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now I want to explain you what is the second system of measuring the angle. The name of the second system of measuring the angle is the centesimal system. I am mentioning you that it is centesimal system. So what is the centesimal system and what is the name of the unit? As I told you, if angle is measured in the degrees, it falls in the sexagesimal system. But if angle's name of unit is given grades, then This is known as the centesimal system. I want to tell you what is 1 centesimal and how we relate it with the 1 degree. So centesimal system explains us that if one of the right angle is separated by drawing 99 rays starting from O equally inclined to divide it one right angle in 100 equal parts, then one of the part or each of the part is known as of measure 1 grade. So what is 1 grade? When one right angle is separated by drawing 99 equally inclined rays in how many parts? 100 parts, equal parts, then each of the part is known as the 1 grade. So we can say one right angle is equals to 100 grades. And if 1 grade is again separated in 100 parts, we say 1 grade is 100 minute and 1 minute is 100 seconds. So if you relate these two systems of measurement of angles, that is sexagesimal system and centesimal system, in sexagesimal system we say one right angle is 90 degree, whereas in centesimal system we say one right angle is 100 grades. So ultimately what is coming out? That 90 degree is equals to 100 grades. This is the relation between degrees and grades. And now I will explain you what is the another or the third or the last measurement system, that is the circular system. Very useful system, applied in physics, applied in the maths, and that circular system has the name of unit as radians.